Hey, how's it going? Just got a quick unboxing for a delayed surface marker buoy or a dive marker buoy. Comes pre-packaged. I got it from Amazon. I paid for it with my own money. It's made out of 210D nylon fabric. It's got a dump valve. It also has an open bottom, so you can inflate it with your regulator, or you can blow into the valve. It comes with a stainless steel clasp there, so you can attach it to the ring, attach to the buoy. Pretty lightweight. It fits into my pocket pretty easily. And it's I wrote my name and phone number on it. That way, in case I'm found face down in the lake somewhere, they know who to call. My cell phone will just ring. Well, I've taken it on a few dives so far. It's nice to have. I also have a dive flag, and this is just a backup. Hey, that's all I have. Thanks for watching.